Hi. In this video, you will learn how to download and install Norton that you purchased as a boxed product or a product card from a local or online retailer. To get started, open your browser and go to norton.com/enroll. You require a Norton account to complete your setup. If you already have a Norton account, click Sign in and log in. If you are a new user, enter the required details and click Create Account. Now, enter the product key. If you purchased a box product online or at a local retail store, your product key is inside the box or printed on a card in the box. Once you enter the product key, click the next icon. Read the terms and conditions and click Agree. Read the terms related to the annual subscription, and then click Continue. Here, enter your billing address and credit card information for Norton to automatically renew your protection while your current subscription is about to expire. Click Agree to automatically renew. You are then presented with the option to download the Norton service that is compatible to your current device. Click Agree and download. As shown here, the arrow will help you locate the downloaded file. All you have to do is execute it. Your Norton service will be downloaded in a few minutes. Click Install. Your Norton service installation will be completed in a few minutes. That's it. You have successfully installed and activated your Norton protection. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.norton.com.